Do you want 2025 to slip away like 2024? Do you want to achieve your goals and dominate 2025? It's starting. 2025. You've crushed your goals. Your finances are thriving. You're in the best shape of your life, and you're surrounded by people who inspire you to grow. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that vision ain't just a dream, it's achievable. In this video, I'll share the 5 steps that transformed my life and will transform yours. Let's dive in. The biggest killer of potential: noise, social media, ads, even well-meaning friends. Everyone's telling you who to be. I used to drown in this chaos until I started carving out 1 hour daily, just me. No phone, no distractions. It's a game changer. Tomorrow, try this. Set aside 1 hour. Ask yourself honest questions and reconnect with what you truly want. That clarity will become your compass. Once you clear the noise, focus on one goal. I used to try fixing everything: fitness, finances, relationships, all at once. Results? Zero progress. Then I learned focus creates power. In 2020, I set one clear goal: $100,000 in business revenue. I mapped it out and committed. By narrowing my focus, I built discipline in other areas too. Your turn. Choose one area to dominate in 2025. Be specific. Write it down and visualize achieving it. Here's the truth: you'll never feel ready. Success favors action, not perfection. When I started my business, my website was amateur. My pitch shaky, but I started. Each step brought clarity. Even failures taught lessons. Today, take one small action. Go for a walk, send an email, or draft a plan. Momentum begins the moment you move. Consistency, the secret weapon. Small daily habits lead to massive results. When I committed to 30-minute workouts, I didn't skip a day, good or bad. 6 months later, the results spoke for themselves. Break your big goal into small, repeatable habits. Fitness, move 20 minutes daily. Business, reach out to 3 people. Show up consistently. It's impossible to fail. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment shapes your success. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. I realized I was spending time with people who weren't growing, and it was holding me back. I sought out high performers, and it transformed my mindset. Audit your circle. Are they lifting you up or holding you back? If you don't have that circle yet, start online. Find communities and mentors who align with your vision. These 5 steps aren't just ideas, they're a blueprint. Now, take action. Write down your goal for 2025 and one small step to start today. If this video resonated, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more strategies to crush 2025 and beyond. Your best year is waiting. Are you ready to make it happen?